Let me ask you something. Have you ever searched for shoes online and suddenly every app, every website, even your email is full of shoe ads? It feels like the internet is watching you, because it is. But what if I told you it's not just ads? It's everything you do online. Every scroll, every click, every second you spend online leaves behind a trail, a digital footprint. And this video will show you exactly what that trail looks like, how to see it, how it's used, and most importantly, how to take back control. Your digital footprint is the record of everything you do online. But it's not just about your social media posts or emails. It's way deeper. Even things you don't realize you're sharing, like how long you stayed on a page, what you hovered your mouse over, or what device you're using, become part of that footprint. There are two types of digital footprint, active and passive. And here's where most people get shocked. Passive tracking is way more dangerous. When you scroll on a website, you're not just scrolling, you're being analyzed. Let me show you something. I'm going to open a random website, let's say cn.com, and show you how much is happening behind the scenes. Look at this. Every time the page loads, these requests are being made to analytics tools, ad networks, tracking scripts. You'll see names like Google Analytics, DoubleClick, Chartbeat, or even third-party trackers you've never heard of. These aren't random. They're silently recording everything from your device type, to how long you stayed, to what part of the article you read. Next, let's look at cookies. These little text files are like spies that websites plant into your browser. Each of these entries stores a piece of information about you, your session, login, behavior, preferences, and more. Some of them are first-party, created by the site itself, but others are third-party cookies, created by advertisers and trackers who want to follow you across websites. Now here's something that goes beyond cookies. Even if you block cookies, websites can still identify you with scary accuracy using something called browser fingerprinting. A browser fingerprint is a unique profile of your system, based on your browser version, installed fonts, time zone, screen size, plugins, and more. You can't see it, and you didn't give permission for it. But it's there. I'm on a site called Cover Your Tracks by the Electronic Frontier Foundation. It tests how unique my browser is. I'll click Test Your Browser. And there it is. My browser is nearly unique among thousands of tested devices. That means even without cookies, I can still be tracked almost perfectly across the web. There's another silent method called session replay. Some websites literally record your screen, like what you typed, what you clicked, even how fast you moved your mouse. This is done using scripts from companies like FullStory, Hotjar, or SmartLook. It's like surveillance, except you don't know it's happening. Look at this. If you see connections to these services, it's possible this site is recording your session. This isn't illegal, because it's buried in the privacy policy. Let's now check something even crazier. You can actually see what Google and Facebook already know about you, and there's a lot. Here's my Google Ad Center. This doesn't contain information as I have turned it off before. But you can check yours. For it, go to my adcenter.google.com. Click Customize Ads or Manage Privacy Settings. These are all the topics Google thinks you are interested in, based on what you've searched, watched on YouTube, or clicked in Gmail. Now I'm going into my Facebook settings. Under Access Your Information, look at this. Facebook has data on my location history, ad interests, groups I've joined, search history, and they even save what I type in the search bar. All this tracking paints a super accurate profile of you, your likes, habits, health, income, political leanings, even your fears. And this profile is sold to advertisers, used to manipulate your behavior, or even predict your future actions. But let's be fair, is it all bad? Tracking can make the web feel smarter, but it comes at the cost of your privacy and freedom. The more personalized things get, the more invisible control someone else has over what you see. Let's start with the basics. The first step to protecting your digital footprint is regularly clearing your browsing history, cookies, and cache. These store your activity, trackers, and files that websites use to identify you. Let's do it together. I'm opening Chrome. Now look at the top right corner. Click the three dots menu. Hover your mouse on History and then click History again from the submenu. Now look on the left. Click Clear Browsing Data. A pop-up appears. Choose the Advanced tab for more control. Now select Browsing History, Download History, Cookies and other site data, and Cached images and files. Make sure you change the time range to All Time. And finally, click Clear Data. Done. This wipes out your entire browsing trail, but it also logs you out of websites, so remember your passwords. The next layer of protection is blocking trackers in real time using browser extensions. These act like shields that stop ads, scripts, and trackers from even loading. I'll show you how to install uBlock Origin, one of the most trusted privacy tools. In the search bar, type uBlock Origin and hit enter. Click Add to Chrome, then click Add Extension when the pop-up appears. Done. Now you'll see the uBlock icon in the top right. Let's visit a news website to see how it works. Now click the uBlock icon. You'll see how many scripts and trackers are being blocked in real time. Just like that, invisible trackers are stopped before they can even load. Third, let's talk about private browsing, also called Incognito mode. It doesn't make you anonymous, but it prevents local storage of history, cookies, and passwords. On Chrome, just press Ctrl plus Shift plus N. Or click the three dots, and then choose New Incognito window. You'll see this dark theme. It means you're in private mode. Nothing you do here gets saved after you close it. But remember, websites, your internet provider, or school can still see your activity. Next, let's restrict what websites can access. Websites often ask for permission to use your location, camera, microphone, and even notifications. Let's open Chrome Settings. Click the three dots in the corner, then choose Settings. Now on the left side, click Privacy and Security. Then click on Site Settings. Here you'll see different permissions: location, camera, microphone, notifications, and more. For example, setting location to Don't allow sites to see your location. Same for camera and mic, unless I really need them. Let's now look at the kind of personal data that Google stores about you and how to delete it. I'm going to myactivity.google.com. This shows everything Google has logged: search history, YouTube views, voice commands, app usage, all tied to your account. On the left, I'm clicking Web and App Activity. Now scroll down and click Manage all web and app activity. From here, I can see my full history. To delete, click the Delete button, then choose All Time. Boom! Just like that, you erased years of tracking data. Google tracks every search you make, even in Incognito. A safer option is using a private search engine that doesn't track or profile you. My top free recommendation is DuckDuckGo. Let's make DuckDuckGo your default search engine. Click Search Engine on the left, then Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Now under Default Search Engines, click Add. In the pop-up, type what I am typing exactly. Now click the three dots next to it and choose Make Default. Done! Now all your searches will go through DuckDuckGo. No profile, no ads following you. If you want to hide your IP address and location from websites and your internet provider, use a VPN, a virtual private network. It creates a secure tunnel between you and the internet. There are many free VPNs, but some are shady. I recommend Proton VPN. It's free, unlimited, and run by a Swiss privacy company. Let's install it. Go to https:/protonvpn.com/free-vpn/. Click Get Proton VPN Free, then sign up for a free account. After that, download and install the app for Windows or Mac. Now open the app. On the left, you'll see free servers. Click on any country to connect. Once it says connected, your real IP is hidden. Even your internet provider won't know what you're doing online. Even if you don't use Facebook or Google much, they and other ad networks follow you across websites to show personalized ads. You can turn off that tracking. Go to https://optout.aboutads.info. This tool scans your browser and shows all companies targeting you with ads. Once it finishes loading, scroll down and click Opt out of all. Click Submit your choices, and it will disable tracking-based ads from all listed companies. And lastly, let's quickly lock down your Windows 10 or 11 system privacy settings. Microsoft also collects telemetry and usage data by default. Click the Start menu, then go to Settings. Now click Privacy and Security on the left. Go to sections like Diagnostics and Feedback, Activity History, and App Permissions. In Diagnostics and Feedback, choose Send Only Required Diagnostic Data. In Activity History, uncheck Store My Activity History. Then turn off access for apps you don't use under Camera, Mic, Location. So now you've cleaned your past data, blocked trackers, disabled profiling, and hidden your identity online, all using free tools. Digital footprints are real, but with these steps, you're back in control. And that's it, friends. You've just unlocked full control over your digital footprint, from clearing history and blocking trackers to using free VPNs and cutting off ad tracking. All practical, all free, and all shown right in front of you. But remember, this is just one side of the power of technology. In fact, in my last video, I showed how to build a fully working web app in under 7 minutes using ChatGPT. No coding required. If you want to see the creative power of AI in action, make sure you check that one out next. If you found this helpful, please drop a like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss these deep dive tech explainers. I'm bringing more every single week. See you in the next one. Stay private, stay curious. This is AI Stream signing off.